Your thoughts on how Pakistan approached this run chase?
तो किसने कहा था ना करो? वो कर लेते हैं 25 रन.
Mohammad Amir would disagree.
I mean, Johnson was there, right? Yeah. So Johnson was there. He should not play. उनका रिजवान निकला, ऊपर से मार दिया. वो खड़ा रहा, 5 ओवर पड़े हुए हैं यार. आराम से go out there, just tap it in. बड़ी शॉट नहीं लग रही and make sure that you score some runs. But Pakistan, again, पाकिस्तान ने यही करना था. Total, Aaron. यही करना चाहिए था पाकिस्तान को. 52 runs. 52 balls, 52 runs. Similarly, Babar, 35 balls, 35 runs. That's all he had to do against India. We are not criticizing you because you could not deliver. It is just right there for taking. We didn't take it. So, हमें गुस्सा इसलिए आया. We're a bit angry. But now, let's moving forward. Guys, don't lose hope. We're still in the tournament. We need to beat next team.
Ireland.
Ireland, who don't have a good history between Ireland and us. Ireland has become a very dangerous team. But anyways, moving forward, I think it's a great win, great display of skill set, a good motivation, good intent, being seen out there. That's all they needed. Bit of a tap on the shoulder, and we got them started.
Marty, they finally get that win on the board. Limited chat.
लेकिन रिजवान जैसे बैटर उनके ऊपर हमने शो में भी बात की कि कुछ चीजें उनको पिक कर लेनी चाहिए थी एज अ सीनियर बैटर. जब बुमराह को वापस लाया गया, maybe could have held and protected his wicket there. A turn of things for him today, आज जिस तरह उन्होंने अप्रोच किया अपने इनिंग्स को.
नहीं, जबरदस्त था. जैसे बॉलर्स ने बॉलिंग की और उसके बाद जब बैटर्स की बारी आई, एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही एक टारगेट था जो कि उन्होंने चेस किया. और अच्छी बात है, जैसे हमने लास्ट मैच में बार बार बात कर रहे थे कि मोहम्मद रिजवान को और बाबर आजम को क्या करना है. एग्जैक्टली यही करना था जैसे वो आज खेले. अच्छी बात है जब आपके पास पॉइंट्स होते हैं, आपके जो टॉप के बैटर्स होते हैं वो इन्फॉर्म होते हैं, बॉलिंग भी इन्फॉर्म होती है. मेरे ख्याल से एक अच्छा साइन है पाकिस्तान के लिए. मच नीडेड हमारी विक्ट्री थी. मेरे ख्याल से इसी तरह खेलें. अब अगर हम नेट रन रेट की बात करेंगे तो बहुत सारे अप एंड डाउन हो रहे थे. अब ये नहीं था क्योंकि आपके पास पॉइंट्स ही नहीं थे, तो इसलिए चांस नहीं लिया गया होगा. मेरे ख्याल से ये ठीक था. अब मूव फॉरवर्ड करें, अगले मैच में फोकस करें, एक अच्छा अपना इसी तरह खेलें. और जहां जैसे मैं बार बार बात करता हूं, सिचुएशन के हिसाब से खेलें. अगर सिचुएशन अगले मैच में 180 रन चेस कर रहे हो तो एग्जैक्टली उसी तरह खेलें. अगर 80 रन चेस कर रहे हो सिर्फ तो वैसे खेलें. लेकिन मेक श्योर करें कि जब आखिरी मैच आएगा तो अपना नेट रन रेट थोड़ा सा बेहतर कर सकते हैं. अच्छी बात है पाकिस्तान आज मैच खेला, बॉलर्स ने बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग की. उसके बाद हमें कैप्टनसी भी आज काफी बेहतर लगी. और खासतौर पे जिस तरह हमने चेस किया आज, और मैं कह रहा हूँ हमने जिस तरह चेस किया, तो ये अच्छी बात है कि अब ऑनरशिप हम सबको भी लेनी है और प्लेयर्स को भी लेनी है.
And Professor, a much more measured run chase from the batters from Pakistan. Yes, a different looking lineup. The Saimo Ayub experiment, it's not like it came off exceptionally well today, but it gave something different. Babar coming in at 3. What did you think of the game today, and were you happy with the lineup in the end?
Well, first of all, congratulations to Pakistan team. They came out from a, I will call it a mental torture.
Yeah.
Because once you don't play well against India, you mentally get down. So they came out of it. They did well as a team. So fantastic work. If you talk about earlier, the bowling basically set the tone for the Pakistan team. They bowled Canada, they bowled 20 overs within the power runs. Because if they could manage to get 130 on this track, it could have been a different story. But we basically bowled well. Amir bowled really well. Naseem Shah and everyone basically played their role to restrict Canada under power runs. And then the approach to chase it down was really fantastic, because we saw in the previous couple of games, the rotation of strike was not good. Because as we mentioned a couple of times, even Martin said a couple of times in the same thing, as a batsman, if you rotate the strike well, you give yourself a best chance to go ahead of the game. So I think they did well, especially Rizwan. He was really fantastic today, the way he batted. And along with, I think, you calling it experiment, I think it's the right solution for Pakistan cricket to have Saim as an opener, because that give a first 4 sorted. Because no matter which format you play, especially in a T20 format, you would like to have a proper 4 batsmen who can rely to win the game for you in any given condition. So I think at the moment, if Saim plays as an opener, it gives the right balance to Pakistan in their batting lineup in the first 4 batters. So I think they did the right thing. Yes, he got out, but I think the intentions were right. The way he batted, the way he got out, but I think the shot was on. We only criticize sometimes the consequences. We criticize sometimes on the result, but we don't see that what was the process.
The context
I think personally, Saim was playing well. The shot was on, he couldn't execute it well. That is a different story. But Babar coming at number 3, I think this is the right position for him, where he always take the right approach to take the game on. He batted really well. His rotation, because he's technically so solid, he does not bog down in any situation of the game. So what he does, he basically rotates the strike well, and that really worked for Pakistan tonight. I personally think Rizwan and Babar, they again proved that they are the main pillar of Pakistan team, and they're doing well for Pakistan team. Once they do well, Pakistan most may win the game. So I'm really happy to see this success. But obviously, this win was really important. That's what they did.
चलिए एक क्विक नजर डालते हैं मैच समरी पे. What happened in New York this morning? Pakistan won the toss and put Canada to bat first. It was pretty much a one-man show from Aaron Johnson, 52 from him off 44 balls. पाकिस्तान के बॉलर्स ने काफी अच्छी ग्रिप रखी मैच पे. आमिर with that player of the match winning spell, 4 overs from him, 2 wickets, giving away just 13 runs. Haris Rauf also picking up 2 crucial wickets in his quota of overs. Shaheen and Naseem with 1 wicket each. जवाब में बहुत straight forward chase था ये पाकिस्तान के लिए एक बार फिर, और मोहम्मद रिजवान coming through with the bat 53 and pretty much leading that run chase. 53 not out from him, and of course being supported by his captain, 33 from him, and a good effort at the top from Canada with the ball, but in the end Pakistan were just cruising through this run chase and in the end winning the match by 7 wickets. इसका रिजल्ट अभी आया है पॉइंट्स टेबल पे कि 2 पॉइंट्स पाकिस्तान के पास आ चुके हैं और नेट रन रेट जो है वो इस वक्त 0.19 का है, एंड कनाडा बिल्कुल उनसे नीचे 2 पॉइंट्स के साथ, लेकिन उनका नेट रन रेट इस वक्त थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव नजर आ रहा है. बट दैट्स व्हाट ग्रुप ए लुक्स लाइक राइट नाउ. इंडिया ऑफ कोर्स लीडिंग दैट. नेट रन रेट थोड़ा बेहतर हुआ है और बाबर ने भी बाद में ये बोला कि उनके माइंड में नेट रन रेट था, लेकिन the man who set it up for Pakistan, Mohammad Amir, your thoughts on watching his spell and especially with that economy on this pitch?
नहीं, आप देख सकते हैं बड़ा क्लियरली कि वो एक्सपीरियंस उसका बोल रहा है, उसकी लेंथ, उसकी हमेशा मैं कहता हूँ लेंथ में एग्रेशन होता है, पेस में नहीं. वो अपनी लेंथ को जेपटाइज नहीं होने दे रहा था. वो बड़ा समझदार फास्ट बॉलर है. पहला सारा बॉल, जैसे मार्टिन ने कहा, पहला सारा बॉल ने लूज किया. बट अगेन हैविंग सेड दैट, आई थिंक द पिक ऑफ द बॉलर इज आमिर. इज स्मार्ट, ही जस्टिफाइज हिज प्लेस, is justifies his comeback into Pakistan team. But again, I think effort was there from him. और आगे I think compliment किया है आगे. नसीम शाह looked a bit excited, forgot his length, बाहर ball कर रहा था. Don't do it. Because my belief is that Pakistan needs to play Super 8. And the whole of India is praying for Pakistan to come and meet us in the quarterfinals and the semifinals. This is what I know India is. I've worked with India. So the whole world is praying that. So it is very demoralizing for overseas Pakistani when they come to see, you see, the once in a lifetime, they come and watch their teams to play in front of their eyes. That never happened before. They were really disappointed. I really want Pakistan to get through the Super 8. If Ireland, please lose it. Make sure you do. So,
do us a service.
To us and to India. Scotland needs to lose from India. But the bowling effort is there. Naseem Shah was great. Haris Rauf, again, he means business. It's okay down and about because he gets too much of preaching from the captain. So you get nervous about it. So you got to let loose of your fast bowlers. उसका यार थोड़ा आगे करे, थोड़ा यहाँ रख. वो हर बॉल पे अगर कह रहे हैं इधर करो यहाँ कर, वो कंफ्यूज जाता है. So but it looked a good team. I still believe कि जब अगर विकेटें सही होंगी तो साइम अयूब in West Indies lethal. My personal likeness is Fakhar Zaman as an opener. The person that he invested into for last 6 years, he can just give you a proper platform. This is a cut for role for him, this kind of cricket. But unfortunately, he's up and down. His mindset is all over the place. He doesn't know what to play right now.
He's a team player. He's doing that.
He is. I mean, so is Rizwan. आज 2 स्टेटमेंट तगड़ी गई हैं, टीम की अप्रोच बदली है. तो मैं ज्यादा और कुछ नहीं चाहता हूँ. बट देखिए, स्कॉटलैंड 2 मैच हारता है, पाकिस्तान 1 जीतता है, पाकिस्तान सुपर 8 क्वालिफाई करता है. पाकिस्तान जिस दिन सुपर 8 में घुस गया, फिर साउथ अफ्रीका भी खैर नहीं, फिर ऑस्ट्रेलिया की भी खैर नहीं. ऑस्ट्रेलिया ना आया, अल्लाह ना करे. ऑस्ट्रेलिया का माइंड वो प्रेशर बहुत
बट इस वक्त यूएसए का हारना जो है वो
मुझे इसलिए थोड़ी सी खांसी आ रही है.
मैंने सोचा मैं हरा देंगे कि नहीं, मैं हराएंगे नहीं, मगर नहीं, वो प्रेशर में से बहुत चलते. पाकिस्तान only gets bogged down with the pressure. तो आज प्रेशर नहीं था ना, no pressure, nothing of the sort. इसे क्या, though they were bowling better than Indians, by the way. At times, Jordan, if you see, he was nipping around, he was swinging around. But there was no pressure. So hold your nerve, get through the Super 8. Somehow, we're going to do the same thing as usual for last 10 years. You know what? Pray.
Come back.
Pray.
I'm praying. 1.5 million people have watched.
And in the last game, you were also praying that.
I was praying. And I think we're all praying for a rematch of India-Pakistan. I think this World Cup needs it. we gave it every
What cricket is it?
opportunity
What
by putting
cricket
them in
is
the same group that this would happen, and inshallah that actually happens, and we get to see that again, because I just feel like Pakistan, as you said, all the raw talent is there, all of the ability. It's just a mental mindset, and
It's a father is missing. It's a father figure is missing. I always believe in Pakistan cricket is always needed a father figure in the dressing room, either in the shape of management, as a chairman, either as a captain. Yunus is very junior than me, but the way he took the team as a father, though he was very harsh at times, but he meant good for the kids and the youngsters, and that's why he gotten the respect that he has. He won the World Cup, though he was not perfectly cut for T20 kind of a captain and the player, but the God has given him such a glory nobody could ever imagine, but he won it.
Yeah.
So that is the father figure that we needed. I think Gary Kristen is a very smart guy. He's a smart guy. Afiz rightly said that other day. You keep that management, give them a time, let them settle down, and make sure you talk softly with the iron fist, and I think you get the job done.
Yep.